Here's something surprising. Sound moves faster in water than in air. But sound needs particles to travel. So why is water faster? Look closely at the medium. In air, particles are far apart. Sound has to work harder to pass energy forward. In water, particles are packed closely together. When one particle vibrates, it pushes the next one instantly. Energy moves faster. That's why sound travels about 4 times faster in water than in air. It's not about loudness. It's not about pitch. It's about how tightly particles are packed. That's why whales communicate over long distances underwater. Sound doesn't change. The medium does. That's real physics working beneath the surface.